Want to increase your product page conversions? One powerful method to boost sales is by adding proof to your product pages. Proof can include customer testimonials, reviews, user-generated content, and case studies, essentially anything that helps potential buyers feel more confident in their purchase. In this quick guide, we'll walk through how you can leverage proof to increase your product page conversions effectively. Now, before we dive into the methods, let me mention that you can start using the software featured in this video completely for free by following the first link below. Plus, you'll get exclusive bonuses just for signing up. So, how do you incorporate proof into your product pages? First, customer reviews and testimonials are a game changer. They not only provide social proof, but also address potential buyers' questions or concerns. Display positive reviews prominently on your product page, especially on top or near the Add to Cart button. A well-placed testimonial can sway hesitant buyers to take the plunge. Look for opportunities to gather reviews, from simple feedback to detailed accounts of customers' experiences with your product. Next, don't overlook the power of user-generated content. Showcase photos, videos, or posts that real customers have shared about your product. When buyers see real people using and enjoying your product, it builds trust. Integrating user-generated content into your product page can create a sense of authenticity and community around your brand. Plus, it's highly relatable. Your customers will start to envision themselves using your product too. Another powerful form of proof is success stories and case studies. Case studies give potential buyers a deeper understanding of how your product solves a problem. Think of these as detailed, personalized testimonials that dive into a customer's journey, starting with the problem they faced, the solution your product provided, and the results they achieved. Case studies allow you to provide proof in a narrative form that engages customers on an emotional level. Don't forget about social proof. Display how many people have purchased your product or signed up for your service. You can also add real-time notifications or alerts, showing customers that others are actively buying or using your product. This creates urgency and a fear of missing out, prompting more conversions. Now let's talk about trust signals. These are elements like security badges, accepted payment methods, or satisfaction guarantees. Including these on your product page can make your visitors feel more secure, knowing that their transaction is safe and that they can trust your brand. Small touches like this can significantly impact conversion rates. Another aspect you should consider is scarcity and urgency proof. This could include showing limited stock numbers or countdown timers for a special offer. These tools trigger the psychology of scarcity, making potential customers feel that they need to act fast before they miss out. Also, be sure to feature any partnerships or endorsements from credible sources. If your product has been reviewed by industry experts, featured in media outlets, or has official certifications, displaying these can instantly boost your product's credibility. This type of proof reassures your customers that your product has been recognized by trusted authorities. Now let's wrap this up. Remember, incorporating proof on your product pages can significantly increase conversions. Whether it's customer reviews, user-generated content, case studies, or trust signals, all these forms of proof help to overcome objections and increase buyer confidence. The more proof you can provide, the better. And as mentioned earlier, you can start using the software for free through the link below with our exclusive bonuses. So if you want to boost your conversions and take advantage of the extended free trial, don't wait. Click that link and get started today.